Hey, my beautiful Two Chicks fam. It is me, Carl. Happy Monday, everybody. I hope you guys had a fantastic weekend. I am back with a subscriber recommended survey site where somebody here cashed out over $150. So make sure you guys smash that red subscribe button, turn on that bell notification, like and share the video, ladies and gentlemen, because on this channel, not only do we talk about the good old work from home jobs, but we also give you guys options with these side gigs and side hustles. And last night we were on the live stream. Now, if you missed that video, you missed another good live stream. Now, guys, this year, 2024, I will not be broke. Speak this over yourself. And a lot of our subscribers here were on that live stream last night, and they stated that they are making money off of these websites, these side hustle websites. So if you missed the video, make sure you guys go back, check it out. We did talk about some customer service companies that are hiring right now. So make sure you guys go back, watch the replay, ladies and gentlemen. One of our queens has made over $5,000 with a non-phone, no interview, no experience side hustle company. But you need to go back and watch the replay to catch what she said. Somebody else here, one of the companies that I have posted not too long ago, and I will post this one again. She has made over $1,000, and I did see the payment proof. She showed us the payment proof. The other subscriber that made over $5,000, she sent us the payment proof as well. Some people here, guys, made some money off of inbox dollars. We had a queen on the live stream that made over $200 off of this company. The link to inbox dollars, Survey Junkie, branded surveys will be posted down below in the comment section. Let me know in the comments what type of work from home job or side hustle you guys are looking for. Be sure to share my video. Tan has a closet full of laptops, and we are going to give away more laptops this year, 2024. All you guys have to do is take the video, take the information, go post it everywhere, and then come back over here. Make sure you guys leave us a comment down below in the comment section. Let's jump in. So this is Ipsos I Say. It says sign up, complete the registration form, and create your account. Take surveys, voice your opinion on a variety of topics to earn some points, and then you can choose your rewards. It says redeem your points for your favorite rewards. Now for this one, guys, they don't have, and I was looking around, I was clicking and the clicking and the clicking and the clacking, but they do not have a FAQ section. So this one, you would just come on here and you would sign up, email, or you can use your phone number, password, first and last name. Are you a male, female, another gender, prefer not to say, month and year of your birth, and then you would just terms and conditions. Of course, if you want to read these, you can click here or click here for the privacy policies and click there and then sign up for this one. Let me know in the comments if you guys decide to sign up for this one or if you are already doing Ipsos/I Say surveys. Let us know in the comment section if you have any tips or tricks for the other subscribers here. Please share that information down below in the comment section. The link will be posted right below the video. There is no interview. You don't need experience, no resume, no applicant tracking system, none of that stuff. You can just literally sign up today, start now, taking these surveys and making you some money. Don't forget, guys, to share my video. Sharing is caring on this channel, and make sure you want to make sure that you come back over here and you drop me a comment down below in the comment section. Don't forget to hop over to Facebook and watch, not watch, but sign up, join our group. It is Kiss That Cubicle Goodbye, because we are still posting jobs in that group each and every single day. And if you have missed any of the jobs posted over in that group, then you have missed some good ones. If you are already in our group, come on in and look at the jobs that I have been posting each and every single day. Follow us on the Two Chicks with the Side Hustle, the Facebook business page as well. We are giving away a lot of more computers this year. You never know when we may just pop on here, guys, and just bless somebody with a computer, a cash app, a PayPal, a gift card. You just never know. So make sure that you're following us on these other social media platforms, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and also, guys, the Two Chicks with the Side Hustle, the Facebook business page. My name is Carol. Let me know in the comments if you guys signed up for this one, and don't forget to go back and watch the replay. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.